How's it going? Welcome to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. So let's roll this intro, then we'll get into what I'm all about. Here we go. Welcome back. So I'm just going to give you a little brief description of what this channel's about, what I do here, and what I hope to accomplish. And if you like what you see, stick around and hopefully we can all get through this together. So in my last channel trailer, which I'll link up here, it goes into what's wrong with my arm and a few other things and kind of a small shop tour. But I was watching that and it was really boring and kind of dragged, so I figured I might as well do another one and kind of let you know what my goals are and what I want to get out of this channel. So my main goal of this channel is to get one, hopefully 2 videos up a week and then do the live stream on Sunday. If that's something you're interested in, please subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. Hopefully the live stream will be at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That way people in California can watch it at noon and people in London and Europe can watch it at like 5, 6 and later. That way it gets everyone involved. Unfortunately, people in Australia and all that are 12 hours apart, so that would be 3 a.m. But I will repost it so you can leave your comments down in the videos and I'll hopefully get to them on the next video. If you're interested in that, let me know in the comments. I'd be glad to have you along. And I'm an open book, so ask whatever kind of questions and I'll be glad to share them with you. Now, let's get on to the main focus of this channel. Knife making. I do my best to show you all my tips and any kind of processes I do to make my knives, you know, from heat treating to shaping, designing and all that. I take you through the whole steps, so if that's something you're interested in, stick around. If you got any more questions, leave them in the comments. I hope you enjoy my channel and thanks for watching. I got shirts available, I've got links and all that down below. Let me know what you think. As always, take it easy.